Today we're back working on the router table, and the first thing we're going to do is mount some lockable swivel wheels on it. That way I can move it in and out because the shop's not big enough in here. Then we're taking the top off, and we're changing out the miter slot that we put in. They do make a set of fingers with expandable joints to fit in the miter slot to try to hold it, but it pops out really easy and I just didn't care for it. So I picked up see if I get that focused. I picked up a Bench Dog versatile T-track, and what it is a track that has a miter track in it and a T-slot. The T-slot will lock down the fingers, and the miter track will still let me use the additional tooling. Next thing is we're getting rid of the handmade backboard temporary setup, and I ended up buying a actually it's a really nice Kreg one. What's nice about this one, when we're done, it has a side mount on it, and I can put a rule in there. It comes with a rule for measurement, and I can run a test indicator or a dial indicator on the back side to get accurate measurements. So that's the project for this Saturday. Okay, so we're now working on the router table to make some changes. And one of the things I got for Christmas was a contractor clamps. And they're actually in 3 different sizes. And a adapter plate for my router. Because I want to add this out of the slot that was there, I want to cut it accurately to this dimension, just slight of that dimension. I'm going to do that hooking my router onto the plate, setting my clamp adjustment up, taking my cut. The only thing that we have left is to make the door that closes off the dust collector system. And I have a new router bit coming in. And we're back into making the handguards for the VG15.